G'day folks, my name is Sean and this is Air Photography. Today we're just going to have a quick simple video and we're going to talk about battery chargers for the Hero 9 Black. I know there's going to be many people who get their very first GoPro over the holiday season, and perhaps you're in the market for a battery charger and you're wondering which one you should go with. Normally when asked, I would always recommend using the official GoPro charger, but not necessarily this year with the Hero 9 Black. And I'll explain why as we go along in this video. So let's just jump right in and take a closer look. So here in front of me, I've got a few different chargers for the Hero 9 Black. You can see here in front of me, I have the official GoPro charger. When you purchase this one, you do get one spare battery with it. And for the most part, it's a great little charger, works very well. Beside that, you can see here I have two third-party chargers. This one here is by Telesen. This one here is kind of a generic one, and there are many different brands that are selling it. Now, at the beginning of this video, like I mentioned, when people ask me what charger they should use with their GoPro, I always recommended the official one from GoPro. It was a great charger. Now this year they've redesigned it, and that's kind of the reason why I'm steering away from it and why I recommend that there are some better options on the market. Let me go ahead and pull these batteries out and we'll compare last year's model to this year's model. You can see there's quite a bit of difference there. GoPro has used this older style for quite some time. They had a similar one available for the Hero 4 Black, one available for the Hero 5, 6, and 7 Black. They all shared the same charger. And of course they had this one here for the Hero 8 Black. As you can see here, you could charge up two batteries at the same time. When you were done charging, this whole unit acted kind of like a case for your batteries. You could throw this right in your camera bag and you didn't have to worry about your batteries rolling around loose in your camera bag. But because these batteries are held in with friction, you can see there they won't fall out. You could actually plug this into a power bank, throw the whole unit, power bank it all right in a backpack and charge while you're on the go. That was a really handy feature for me because I actually do a lot of charging when out in the field. But the problem with this new style of charger is, as you can see here, the batteries are fully exposed, so it doesn't really work as a case anymore. And the other thing too is if you try to charge this on the go, if you plug this into a power bank and then throw it in your camera bag, these batteries here are just going to wiggle loose and fall out, so that doesn't really work anymore. Of course, there's different workarounds and different things you can do, like put an elastic band around it that would hold them in place and you could then charge on the go. But if you haven't bought one yet and you are in the market, there are some better ones on the market that will still allow you to charge on the go. For example, this one here by Telesen has a lid on it that opens and closes, and it's held in place magnetically. And with this one, you actually have the bonus of charging three batteries at once. If you take a look at the top there, they actually have a spot where you can store two memory cards as well. So that's a nice little feature. We got three LED lights on the front to let us know what the status of the charging is. And then over here on the back, of course, we have our USB Type-C port. So we can take our GoPro batteries, plug them in, close the lid. We can then take a power bank, plug it into the back there, and now all three batteries are charging. We could then take this whole thing, throw it in our backpack, and away we go. And as another bonus that is a little bit cheaper, you can pick this up for under $20, I do believe. Another nice thing is you can actually purchase this as a standalone charger, or if you want some spare batteries, I do believe they offer a kit that comes with two generic batteries. They're not GoPro branded batteries, they're kind of similar to this one here. These are the ones for the Artman there. And I've been actually using these for a couple weeks and I've had no problems with them. But as mentioned, they do sell a single kit with just the charger, so if you're a person who prefers to use official batteries, you can purchase just the charger. This one works exactly the same way. You can see we have a lid on it here. It doesn't have a spot for memory cards in the lid, but it does have a more secure latch on it, so some people may prefer that. Again, we can charge three batteries, plug it in with a power bank. You can see there that the batteries are charging. And again, we can throw this whole set right in a backpack and charge while on the go. Again, with this style of case, you can purchase it as just a single charger, or you can purchase it with some generic batteries as well. These ones here are designed for the Hero 9, as you can see. And again, like I said, I've been using these for a couple weeks and I haven't had any problems. So that's my personal recommendation if you are in the market for a battery charger for your Hero 9 Black. If charging on the go is not really an issue for you, then definitely stick with the GoPro brand. But if you do want to be able to charge your batteries while out backpacking, hiking, or just out adventuring, definitely a charger like this might be your better choice. Well folks, that's basically it for my video. Just a few battery charging options for you if you are in the market for a new GoPro battery charger. I want to thank you for watching this video. It is truly appreciated. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and got some value out of it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Also, don't forget to hit that little bell icon. That way you're always informed when I upload a new video. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.